RUN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Sunrun stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video. And as the only guy in the space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. So what I'll tell you here is that with Sunrun, well, my idea was correct, you know, it just gapped up the next day when I made the prediction and then it started pumping. So what I'll get is, I'll zoom out. I have this supply zone technically in here. And for me, in order to be bullish, I must see a full candle close above 16 bucks, which honestly, it's not that far away from where we're now. And ultimately speaking, only if there is a solid shift, I'm looking to sell, because that's a supply zone, you know what I mean? Randomly selling will not come in handy. So I'm waiting for whatever the price is going to give me. I mean, people might look at this and be like, okay, it's basically bearish. I'm not selling unless rules are met. That's why I will even add these caps. Waiting text. So stay tuned, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.